VP Chiwenga takes Tagwirei head-on. The 21st of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has taken the unprecedented step of directly confronting petroleum tycoon KUTYA Tagwirei, demanding his immediate arrest over an alleged $3.2 billion US corruption scandal that he says has hollowed out ZANU-PF and captured its structures. The extraordinary clash unfolded at a stormy Politburo meeting on Wednesday, where Chiwenga presented a dossier accusing Tagwirei of siphoning funds from a secret 45% ZANU-PF stake in Secunda Holdings. The shareholding, reportedly held in trust by President Emerson Mnangagwa, Kembo Mohadi, and Patrick Chinamasa, had brought no returns to the party. Instead, Chiwenga alleged, the money was diverted to build loyalty networks through flamboyant benefactors Wicknell Chivio, Delishangua, and Scott Sakapwanya. He said the party had never received a cent. An insider revealed, instead, the billions were used to capture ZANU-PF structures. With the complicity of the trustees, Chiwenga demanded the arrest of Tagwirei and his allies, collectively branded the ZVAITWA, and accused Mnangagwa himself of being the ultimate beneficiary. The dossier pointed to Chivio's recent donation of $1 million and 10 luxury vehicles to provincial leaders as evidence of illicit patronage. In a twist that strengthened Chiwenga's case, presidential spokesman George Charamba insisted the vehicles were party property, undermining Chivio's claim that they were personal gifts. The showdown quickly turned personal. State Security Minister Lovemore Maddock accused Chiwenga of plotting to seize power, prompting a sharp rebuke. If I removed Mugabe and invited Mnangagwa back, what makes Maddock think I now want to remove him undemocratically? Mnangagwa, visibly unsettled, appointed a committee led by Obert Mpafu, Apa Muchinguri, and Chinamasa to probe the claims, and insiders said he even considered canceling his UN General Assembly trip to manage the crisis. By Thursday, tensions were spilling over. Mnangagwa skipped the customary pre-briefing with Chiwenga and Mohadi before addressing the Central Committee. In his remarks, he appeared to temper loyalists' calls for a 2030 agenda to extend his rule, declaring, "It is of critical importance that we introspect as a party, with the bigger objective that our party wins the 2028 harmonized general elections." In a thinly veiled warning to his financiers, Mnangagwa told the Central Committee, "Those splashing money without traceable sources should be arrested." The remark came less than 24 hours after Chiwenga's dossier had named the ZVAITWA as corrupt financiers who have captured both state and party institutions. As ZANU-PF heads into its October conference, the battle lines are now drawn. Chiwenga's direct assault on Tagwirei has set the stage for a bruising showdown at the top, a fight between a military-backed vice president and a president increasingly shielded by oligarchs and family ties, with the country watching closely as the ruling party grapples with allegations of corruption, patronage, and internal rebellion.